Shalom, everybody. Good morning. You know what I mean? You don't know. Officer Kayad one again with another video. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Salaki about the slow upload of videos lately. You know what I mean? I just a bag of work and we just not have no time to do that more while still. You know what I mean? But we're gonna try upload some more videos. But you know what I mean? I saw this story and thought, you know what I mean? Most people would find this very controversial and very interesting. You know what I mean? Especially in our time when, you know what I mean? People not go on for people right now. You know what I mean? Majority of our people are suffer right now. But watch this. You know what I mean? It's like the authority them find billions, you know what I mean? Billions of dollars in fraud brand. You know what I mean? And them destroy it. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna just play the tape, you know what I mean? And then we're gonna elaborate on it a little bit. You see me? Remember to like the video though. You know what I mean? Subscribe now to the channel, you know what I mean? Because we're gonna bring out some, you know what I mean? Some heavy, you know what I mean, material in the near future. You get me? Yeah, man. All right, so let's see what I go on there. So the man them find some, you know what I mean, some fake shoes, some fake brands, you know what I mean. But what I find interesting is that the man them decide that them are gonna destroy them, shred them to pieces. You know what I mean? Me I say, yo, you know, have hundreds of thousands of poor people who could give them shoes there. You understand? In the island right now. We don't have thousands of poor people who would have love a pair of shoes in them time. Yeah. And you might say, boy, well, a fraud shoes them. So, you know what I mean? Nobody no fear wear fraud shoes. But the people them who wear the fraud shoes can't afford the name brand to begin with. You know what I mean? And the poor people them where you give them fraud shoes you too. Then can't afford the name brand. So it's not like you stop no business. You just help out the unfortunate or the less fortunate. You understand? We're going to jump over to the article and read, make on hear what go on. Is it? So this is the Star. You understand? It says billions in fraud brand destroyed. You know what I mean? Approximately US 600 million in the region of 9 billion Jamaican dollar worth of counterfeit goods were destroyed by the Jamaica Constabulary Agency yesterday. You understand? The items, which were mostly sneakers, filled 13 containers that entered the island in 2017. Among the items that were destroyed of Slovakia, disposed of yesterday, were hundreds of fake Air Jordan, Nike, Adidas, Puma, Fenty Sneakers, and slippers. Albert Anderson, director of the Contraband Enforcement Team, said that the sale of counterfeit goods is a thriving business. He said that shipments of counterfeit goods arrive in the country regularly, and when found, they are confiscated and destroyed. You understand? The whole process of carrying it from detention to forfeiture, then to disposal is a lengthy one. One of the things is that you need to give the person time to come and prove that their goods are genuine. We would have normally got verification from the rights owners, Slovakia owner, that the goods are fake. So once that is done, we give them a period of 3 months to respond. We will then seek permission from the relevant offices once the person does not respond to have the items destroyed, he said. The destruction of the goods pain the heart of many persons who argue that they should have been given to the people who are in need. For example, you know what I mean? So, even them know, say, yo, you know what I mean? Even them get complaints, say, yo, give these items to the poor. And them still destroy. That show you, say, yo, this system, you know what I mean? It don't really cater to the poor people, you know. You know what I mean? Because the very needs that the poor have, you know what I mean? Where them say, boy, you know what I mean, it's going to get better, you know what I mean, things are going to change, and we have put things in place for change. The very needs that we have, you know what I mean, this could alleviate enough of the needs where enough people have. Right now, you have how much people we can't, you know what I mean, afford a pair of shoes, and especially due to the pandemic, right now, where nobody have, you know what I mean, a means of income. You tell me, say you could walk around the island and give out them counterfeit shoes that to people who not have, and all the items them, you know what I mean? Evil fitting there, you know what I mean? Save face, you know what I mean? To save face to make it look like una do something good. Not even that, you don't even want it appear like una do something good. So when you destroy the thing, then I tell you, that system you make for we, man. You see? So what you think? You leave in the comments in the comment section, like the video, share. Tell me what you think about this. You know what I mean? This is a travesty, you know what I mean, in my opinion. You know what I mean? So you just tell me what you think and thing, you know what I mean? Again, my name is Officer Kayad1, you know what I mean, from ISUPK. So you just subscribe to this channel, share, subscribe to all the ISUPK channels. Them a whole heap of information we bring out. You know what I mean? And with that, I say shalom.